Magandang hapon po ng August 17, 2024, Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 17, 2024, Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, August 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 17, 2024, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, August 17, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 17, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.